Hey everyone, this is Age Graceful. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you took some time out to spend it with me. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig by Original Queen. This is a kinky curly style. In the box I got the wig itself, some beautiful eyelashes, a care card, and a thank you card. How sweet of them to thank me. And also on the back of that card, it shows you how you can get a free wig, so be sure to check that out. This wig can be purchased on Amazon, and again, it is the Original Queen. So this is the unit itself. It has a 13 by 6 lace frontal. I had inspected it prior, so that's why you don't see the net. I inspected it to make sure that it was ventilated properly and that there were not a lot of hairs in the box and a lot of shedding, and there was virtually no shedding with this unit. I was really surprised, and this unit was also ventilated properly. It does have combs in the front, back, and on both sides. This is a quick snapshot of the front hairline. I'm going to place it on my mannequin head now so that I can bleach the knots. And it does have elastic in the back. I forgot to mention that, the adjustable elastic bands. So to get started with this, I'm going to secure the unit onto the mannequin head with some T-pins. These are very sharp. I would recommend keeping them in a cosmetic bag or something, just like I'm doing. You don't want the little kitties to get a hold of those T-pins. That'll be horrible. So I'm going to start by spraying the lace with the Got2b glue, spray glue, I should say. And I got this tip by Endless Beauty by Maddie. She's one of the girls that I do the Beauty Over 40 collaborations with on a monthly basis. So if you haven't seen Endless Beauty by Maddie, be sure to check her out. I'm going to leave a link in my description box to her channel. So to bleach the knots, I'm using a full packet of bleach and some Clairol developer, and I got the 40. The 40 volume is the highest, and it works quickly, so you have to kind of be careful. When you mix up the bleach, you want a thick consistency. You don't want it runny because you want to be able to control it. As you see here, I'm just patting it on. You don't want to rub it in. You don't want it to bleed through and get onto the hairs. Now, I say that, but in the end, I did have just a slight amount of bleeding through. I had a phone call and I had to hurry in and get my neutralizing shampoo and rinse this bleach out and neutralize it so that it could stop working. So I'm just going to continue to pat this on and make sure that all the knots in the front are covered, so I can bring up the color of those knots. There's nothing worse than black knots in the front of your unit. It doesn't look natural. I used a piece of aluminum foil here to help with the process. Now I have the bleach all washed out. I have the unit conditioned. And so now I'm just going to pull back the hair so that I can cut my lace. And I had tried it on previously, and this is not my first time cutting lace, so I kind of know where I should cut it to fit my head properly. The scissors, though, I was a little bit upset. I misplaced my hair cutting scissors, and these are my scissors I use to crack crab legs, so it looks kind of funny, but I'm actually using the back portion of the scissors to cut because that was the sharpest part of the scissors. So of course, as soon as I buy a new pair of scissors, I found the original ones, but now I have two pair. So I'm going to continue to cut the lace so that it will fit my head, and I'll be done in just a moment. All right, the lace is all cut now. I'm I'm just trimming it up there a little bit. And you want to cut your lace on a zigzag kind of pattern, not just straight across, so that the lace lays on your forehead in a more natural position. In the back here at the nape of the neck, you also see a small amount of lace, and that lace is there if you want to lay it down on your neck so you can pull your hair up into a ponytail or a bun. So now I'm going to take the pins out of the hair, and I'm going to prepare to put some cream in. I'm just using this Bella Curls. It's really inexpensive. I got it from the Family Dollar, and it's about $4. But it is an amazing curl activator and conditioner, and it doesn't leave like a heavy buildup or residue on the hair, which is what I like. I don't like putting a lot of product in. I like using cold water and just a very small amount of product. And I'm just fixing her up and trying to decide how I want to wear her. I can either have a bang or a part. I always put some type of part in, and then from that part I can either kind of put some going towards the back, or I can make a high pony in the front if I wanted to, or a bun. But I'm just kind of figuring out how I want the curls to lay when they're dry. And again, this is Original Queen. In a moment, you're going to see my final look. Okay, so here I am with my Original Queen 12-inch kinky curly. Isn't it beautiful? It looks so natural because it's not real long. It looks very similar to my hair when I wear my wash and goes during the summer. My hair is not this thick. I would say that this unit is like 130% density. And so with the 130, it tends to look more natural than 150 or 200 density. And by density, I mean thickness or fullness. I want to thank you so much for choosing my channel to come to. I appreciate you all, my old subscribers as well as the new subscribers that have joined on the Age Graceful train. Thank you so much for watching.